Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to delete Bluesky account. So, in order to delete your Bluesky account, you will have to first of all navigate to the Bluesky application. Now, after opening the application, you will see an interface that will look something like this. What you can also do is navigate to any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and log into Bluesky's website. Now, after navigating to your Bluesky account, you'll have to simply click on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now, you will see this menu where you'll have to click on the settings icon at the bottom. Now, when you click on settings, you will see your account details at the top, sign out button, basics, privacy, two-factor authentication, and the account section here. Now, in the account section, you'll have the option to change your password, export your data, deactivate your account, and delete your account. So, if you want to delete your account permanently, you'll have to click on this button. Now, if you want to deactivate your account, that is remove your account temporarily, you'll have to click on this button. So, I want to delete Bluesky account, I'll click on delete my account. Now, it will show you this pop-up where it says delete your account. For security reasons, Bluesky will need to send a confirmation code to your email address. So on this page, click on send email and Bluesky will send a code on your email. Simply search for the email from Bluesky, then click on this confirmation code, enter that confirmation code here, and then you'll have to enter your Bluesky's password, then click on delete my account. After click on this red delete my account button, your Bluesky account will be successfully deleted. So that's how you delete Bluesky account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.